All right, in continuation with what we were talking about earlier, so we have edge, 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 edge. So we go to depth. In the word depth, we have d and t, d and t. The air sound is the vowel sound. Why we have two consonant sound? D usually represent heavy dot straight stroke, then t light straight stroke. D. Now put your by the side. D, t, det, d, t, det. Then we'll go to the next one, which is jet. We have two consonant sound, j, t. So we have j and t. Then you put your at the middle. That's j, t, jet, j, t, jet. You can practice as many as you can at your own pace. All right. Short form e is what we have just dealt with. So we will be looking at major punctuations in shorthand. We have punctuations in shorthand. While some remain the English form, I am going to give some that changes from English to shorthand. Example is full stop. A full stop is represented with something that looks like times. Here is a full stop. So whenever you are writing a word, transcribing, you have a full stop, please note that you are going to put this. Then we have the second one, which is question mark. The normal question mark, then you have the full stop under it. So this is how to represent question mark. Then we have the next one, which is exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is the normal in English, but you have your times under it, which that sign under it, which shows exclamation mark. And also, lastly, we will talk about the hyphen. The hyphen is just the normal way. Here is hyphen in shorthand. So in case where you have the following in when you are representing words in shorthand, you should take note of this. Where you have full stop, use the X sign. So that's that on punctuation marks, which we're going to look at. All right, so please try and make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos which we are going to do shortly. Okay, from what we have done so far, I want us to explain these exercises on the board. We have 5 exercises on the board. So we are going to start with the first one, which is, so like I said the last time, that if you want to represent D is a short form which is represented with just dots. It is represented using dot, D. So we want to transcribe the following to English. D, it is represented with dot, just dot. So you have D. Then the next one, which is D, we have D, that's stroke D. Then having by the side and T down. D, T, D, T. So that should tell you it is the depth. The depth. Then you can see where I wrote full stop. You put your full stop. D, T, depth. Then your full stop will come at the end. Please take note of every sign you see. They count. Every sign counts. So we'll go to number 2. Here we have D again, which is the dot. Then we have P and J. P, J. So, and there is A sound at the middle, which is the vowel sound. So, P, A, J. P, A, J. P, A, J. That will give us page. The page. P, A, J. Page. Then you put your full stop. The page. So let's go to the third one. We have a D and T down. Then, like I said, D can also be represented using a small tick sign at the end of a word. Tick, a tick. So we have D, A, T. Then with the tick underneath. D, A, T. That should be date. D, A, T, date. Then don't forget the tick, which represents D under it. So that means date, D. Then you now go P, P-A-G. We have written page before in that place. So date the page. That is what this one is saying. Then you have your what? Full stop. Date the page. So we go to the next one, which is pay. Pay D because of the stroke under. Pay D because of the tick. Then this will be debt. That means pay the debt. You put your full stop, which is very important. Pay the debt. All right, we'll look at this. So this is part of the short form we give to. This short one, it's a heavy one. The heavy one represents who, like I gave in the short forms earlier. So that is who. Then we want to look at the next, which is p, a, d. That is P and D. Then you have tick D underneath it. So who paid? P-A-D. That is paid. Who paid? Sorry, it's not pay. Paid. That's an error. So we have P-A-D. Paid D. Who paid the? Then we have debt, which is debt. Who paid the debt? You have your question mark because it's a question. Who paid the debt? So we have done that. So for number 5, I wish there's a kind of interaction. Now I would have given. So in our next class, we will be looking at how to transcribe the words in English to shorthand. So I am not going to be giving this. I'm going to give words in shorthand so that we can learn fast. Please, like I said again, help us subscribe to our channel. Help us share. Like, you can also follow us on our Facebook page at MJ's Shorthand Techniques on Facebook. So we are here to serve you better. Should you have any question, please always put on the comment section. Thank you.